Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth gadget reviews. Today we're talking about what Amazon calls the best Kindle e-reader glare-free display, the all-new 11th generation Kindle. It's light, compact, eco-conscious, and has some exciting upgrades. Let's dive in. This right here is Amazon's most compact Kindle yet, and yes, it lives up to the hype. First impressions? It's incredibly lightweight. At just 158 grams, or about 5.5 ounces, this thing almost disappears in your hand. It's thinner and smaller than a paperback, yet it holds thousands of books in its 16 gigabytes of storage. Let's talk about the display, the heart of any e-reader experience. You get a 6-inch glare-free screen with 300 ppi resolution. Text looks crisp, clear, and paper-like. The front light is 25% brighter than before, which is now comparable to what you'd find on the Kindle Paperwhite. That's a big deal because it means great readability in sunlight and perfect visibility at night, especially when you switch to dark mode. No eye strain, no reflections, just effortless reading anytime, anywhere. And if you're someone who's easily distracted by notifications, this Kindle is made for you. That's based on 30 minutes of reading per day with the light at medium brightness and Wi-Fi turned off. It charges via USB-C and takes about 2 hours with a 9W adapter. Now that's a huge step up from older models that still used micro USB. Faster, universal charging, finally. This Kindle also takes a step towards sustainability. It uses 75% recycled plastics and 90% recycled magnesium in the device. The packaging is 100% recyclable. Amazon's clearly making an effort here, and we love to see it. Now let's cover the accessibility and supported formats. Voice View lets visually impaired users navigate the device using Bluetooth audio. It feels snappy. Page turns are faster, animations are smoother, and despite the basic processor, the experience is buttery smooth for what it's meant to do. You can pair it with Amazon's lightweight magnetic covers. They come in various colors. Put the Kindle to sleep when closed, and wake it up when opened. You can also grab a clear screen protector or form-fitting cover for extra durability. If you're a minimalist reader who just wants to read, no distractions, no frills, this is absolutely perfect. College students, commuters, or just casual bookworms, this will feel like a major upgrade. Compared to other Kindles like the Paperwhite or Scribe, this model is the most compact, but lacks waterproofing, warm light, or stylus support. But at this price point, it doesn't need to do everything. So here's the bottom line. The newest Amazon Kindle is the purest reading experience you can get today. Lightweight, distraction-free, with a gorgeous screen and battery life that feels endless. If you're looking to replace an old Kindle or just getting started, this is the one to get. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what book would you read first on your new Kindle? Until next time, keep reading.